Everyone, this is Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and today I'll be showing you guys how to pair your Galaxy Buds Pro to an iOS device. So to get started, go ahead and open up your buds, and that'll kind of initiate the pairing process. Then we'll go ahead into our settings on our iOS device. Here we'll go ahead and get into the Bluetooth, and here we are, and we'll wait for them to pop up. We have a few devices around us, but in your case you might have just this or whatever devices around you may be. Go ahead and just press on the Galaxy Bud Pros, and there we go, you're connected and you're ready to go. Pretty easy, straightforward process. Hope you guys like this video and it helped you out. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to leave a comment down below. We do our best to reply to all your guys' comments and questions and help kind of assist you there. If you need any parts or tools for any electronic repairs, go ahead and check our website out. We do sell plenty of parts and tools. Tools like for whatever repairs you may need. So check it out. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit a like. Again, thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful and have a phenomenal rest of your day.